Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Have you ever found yourself needing to reorganize your invoices, or perhaps correct a pesky error in an invoice number within QuickBooks Online? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, but the good news is that changing an invoice number is a very straightforward task once you have everything set up correctly. Stick around as we go through the entire process together, step by step. Before we dive into the actual process of changing an invoice number, there's one key setup step we need to address. It's absolutely essential to ensure that the custom invoice numbering feature is enabled in your QuickBooks Online account. Without this feature turned on, you won't be able to make any changes to your invoice numbers. If you're not sure how to activate this setting, don't worry. We have another video that walks you through the process of setting up custom invoice numbering in QuickBooks Online, which you can check out at your convenience. Now, assuming that you've already enabled the custom numbering feature, let's get started with the main steps. First, head over to the main QuickBooks dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical panel. In this panel, you'll want to click on the Sales option. This is your gateway to all your sales transactions, neatly organized for ease of access. Once you've clicked on Sales, you'll need to navigate to the tab labeled Invoices. This section will provide you with a comprehensive list of all your current invoices. This list is particularly useful as it gives you an overview of everything at a glance, making it easy to find the specific invoice that needs updating. Take a moment to scroll through your list of invoices and locate the one for which you wish to change the number. Once you've found it, click on that invoice to open its detailed view. Each invoice detail page provides a clear overview of everything related to that specific transaction, allowing you to make various edits and updates. Next, look for the Edit button, which is usually located near the top of the invoice details page. Clicking this button will allow you to enter edit mode, where you can make changes to any editable fields on the invoice. Once you're in edit mode, focus your attention on the area where the invoice number is displayed. Click on the invoice number text box, which is the space where you can type in the new invoice number you wish to assign to this particular transaction. After entering the new number, ensure it aligns with any numbering system or format you've decided to use across all your invoices. Maintaining consistency here is key to avoiding confusion in the future. Don't forget to click the Save button. This step is crucial to ensure that all your changes are recorded. And there you have it. Your invoice now sports a new number, and you're all set to move on to other tasks with confidence. Changing an invoice number in QuickBooks Online might initially seem a bit daunting, but once you've enabled the necessary features, it's a straightforward process. With this simple guide, you can correct invoice numbers quickly and effectively, keeping your records as accurate as possible. That's it for this tutorial on how to change invoice number in QuickBooks Online. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.